Juniors, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn this interesting poem. So let's get started. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Now repeat after me. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, your turn. Very good. Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Repeat. Very good. One for the master, one for the dame. Repeat. One for the master, one for the dame. Repeat again. Very good. And one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Repeat again. Very good, brilliant. You did well. Now we will sing this poem again. Hope you will enjoy the video. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane.